What's up, fam? Thanks for tuning in once again to this channel. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, you probably don't know who I am, so I'm gonna tell you, I'm Jasper the Filmy, content creator, independent filmmaker, photographer, and podcaster. Definitely want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button because every single week I put up some really good content on things like the Mavic Air 2 and also digital marketing and interviews from professionals that I have from the entertainment industry. So you might want to join me in my journey. Now, before I get started on this video about the Mavic Air 2, I want to take a quick second to talk with you guys about this brand partner that I love to represent. So let's take a look. So one of my favorite CBD outlets would have to be this one right here, which is why I'm a loyal shopper and a proud affiliate of them, Flora CBD. Guys, this is just one CBD supplier that you do not want to overlook because they, for one, are committed into giving natural ingredients in all of their products. And one of my favorite products personally would have to be their cookies, the strawberry and cream cookies. They just are so tasty. And not only that, they just have a good balance of a dosage that just makes your system feel great. You know what I mean? They have other great products as well. They have some good gummies, they have some good oils, some good beverages, and one of their newest products would be the Flora CBD dip, which is actually tobacco free. The new mint actually is a very beautiful smell as well. So I would encourage anyone to definitely click on the link that I provided in the description of this video so that you can get some of their products. Also want to let you know that when you purchase one of their products, it helps out this channel grow, as I am an affiliate for them. So definitely check them out and use Flora CBD over any other brand. They really do make some good stuff. I can vouch for them. So I hope you enjoyed that last offer. And like I always say, if you'd like to learn more about it, just definitely click on the link that I provided in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, if only y'all knew how crazy it was to make these videos. But anyway, so guys, I want to first of all tell you this is pretty much going to be a walkthrough video of the follow me feature. I think that's what it's called. Basically the feature that allows the drone itself to follow you while you're in the walking or whatever you're doing. I just want you guys to see in real time exactly how responsive it is or isn't. And something that I noticed too while I was operating it. I'm just going to give you guys the footage and I'm going to walk you through it. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so as you can see here, this is me walking out of the driveway here. I am not controlling it whatsoever. This is literally the drone following me. So as you can see, it actually stops right here. Interesting point that I realized. I'm going to pause the footage right here. Interesting point that I realized with the follow me feature, the way it works is you have to pinch the screen kind of like how you would do on a tablet if you want to zoom in or zoom out or whatever. But when you pinch that screen, a little green area comes up on the tip of your fingers. And that is the area that you select to highlight that the drone will follow. Now, that area will stay locked on pretty well, but this is what happens when something obscures the view of that area. Then that's when either the object that it's following will get pretty much hard to track, or it will just get disconnected and the drone won't follow it at all. So that's why you saw that pause there. Literally, the tree blocked the view and the drone was trying to find the object again. So that's why you saw that pause. And that's why it happened the way it happened. Now, the object detection feature is on, basically, and I think that's what it's called, but basically it's the feature where the drone could pick up things near it when it's flying and to avoid it. So I'm gonna show you guys also more of how it actually works in real time. So let's go back to the footage here. So as you can see, here I am walking some more. It avoided a tree just now slightly, and it stopped briefly again. But like I said, I'm not controlling it at all. This is the drone flying on its own speed and keeping. So here is a tree coming up on the left here. No control whatsoever. It literally, you saw how it avoided it just now. Literally, it does that pretty well, but at the same time, I'm kind of bobbing left and right because I realize that it will lose track of me, and I don't want it to lose track of me. Here, it also see how close it came to that tree and it avoided. And now I would strongly suggest, I'm gonna pause the footage here. I would strongly suggest this is kind of like a barrier that I was really stretching that was quite honestly not a good one. Drones and trees don't mix. And if you watch the next video that I've created, you're going to see why they don't mix. I did run into a little of a snafu, but learned a valuable lesson, and it's good footage to share with you guys so that you don't make the same mistake I did. And hopefully it can help somebody as well. It's a pretty good topic as well, so I'm gonna give you the ability to check it out. I think it's gonna be up here or wherever it will be in the space of YouTube screen, but definitely want to check out that video for sure. It's some good stuff on how to fix the drone if you crash it. So yeah, precursor there. So let's continue this footage. So here I am walking some more. I'm also kind of making sure no cars are coming. It's a pretty quiet neighborhood, so not too many cars come through here. But anyway, I'm, as you can see, it's avoiding trees pretty well. And also if you notice too, the drone is pointing itself in the direction of where I'm walking. So in a way, there's kind of like an adjacent feature that allows the drone to literally center itself. So here, this is when I do take control. I actually raised the altitude of the drone because I just wasn't feeling too comfortable with it flying that close to the trees, and Lord forbid, but it obviously didn't help in the future. But anyway, so you know, now it's a little bit higher, and I'm kind of getting to a spot where it's really open, and this is where you can kind of see how good that tracking feature is. Now I'm walking exactly underneath the drone. As you can see, it slows down, and then it stops, and then it recenters again. You see that there? So that just shows you how it lost track and then it regained. Now this is the right here, this little stretch. Oh, I swallowed a mosquito. Mosquitoes are really bad around here, by the way. But as you can see, this is an open stretch here, nothing blocking it. This is kind of the ideal circumstances you want for the drone. Literally just open ground. It even says that on the box when you first turn it on the app, and when you do the pre-flight check, it says that. So, you know, I'm going to stick to that. You know, you definitely want to fly this drone in those circumstances where there's just really nothing obscuring the view of you and the drone. And of course, when you start flying it really high, you're not going to see it, but you really kind of want to be able to be in a spot where, you know, you can kind of control a lot, you know, manage a lot, because, you know, these things aren't cheap. You know, these are little aircrafts here. So, you know, now I'm getting to a spot where it's getting really open, and I think here is where, no, so it didn't happen here. So anyway, like I said, guys, you know, open spaces is the ideal for this drone in particular, the Mavic Air 2. This is actually the later version too of, I guess, operating. I can't think of the name of it. What I'll do is but there's a new operating platform that they put in the Mavic Air 2 that even the Mavic Pro doesn't have. Now, granted, the Mavic Pro is the better drone per se, but there's still some stuff in this drone that has the latest technology. And obviously DJI is going to put out some new stuff that's going to probably blow the Mavic Air 2 out of the water. But still, the Mavic Air 2 is a good drone. And it's really fun to fly. This is my first professional drone, as you guys can see. I want to make some more videos too to kind of keep you guys up to speed about it, because some of you guys may be thinking about buying it. Now, if you are thinking about buying it, I would encourage you to come back to this channel. If you saw this video, come back to this channel and click on the link in the description. There is a link where you can get a discount from purchasing the drone. And it also helps out this channel as well when you go through that link to purchase it. Definitely am in the phase of growing this channel a good bit. So if you just do me that justice, I would really appreciate it. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't just watch this video and then go away. That's That's rough, guys. You gave me a couple of minutes of your time. The least you can do is hit the like and subscribe button. The other reason why you would want to do that is because I got other videos, including the next one you might want to check out, of what to do when you crash the drone. I actually do have experience with that, unfortunately. Give me some comments. If you have any questions or comments, definitely put them in the box. I'll be glad to answer them to the best of my abilities. So other than that, guys, that's all I got. Until next time, stay tuned for greatness.